Are you selling on Amazon, Shopify, WooCommerce, or any other online platform? Do you constantly wish you could hire a graphic designer for your product imagery? The good ones are expensive. The affordable ones are not as talented as you'd like. Can't find a happy medium? Beating your competitors to page 1 on Amazon is easier than you think. Start seducing your potential customers. Introducing Glorify. Beautifully crafted images that actually grab people's attention. Not only will you increase sales but also your brand's perceived value. You can start charging more for your products and sell more at the same time. Create images from beautiful niche theme product focused templates. Make them look pro with awesome effects, such as shadows and reflection. Start seducing your potential customers by creating stunning and captivating product images, lifestyle images, comparison images, EBC images, marketing materials, and much more. Studies show that a whopping 8 out of 10 customers will buy a product with high-quality product images compared to poor-quality images. Over 8,300 entrepreneurs from all over the world are using Glorify. Increase profit and sales with the power of conversion-driven product images. Start your free trial and glorify your products today. Start creating beautiful, high-converting product images with just a few clicks today. Click on the link in the description below to start your free trial.